Let down, disappoint. He let me down again. She felt let down by her team. Make do. Manage with what is available. She forgot her umbrella, so she made do with a newspaper to cover her head. She made do with an old laptop. Narrow down. Reduce options. I couldn't decide on a dress, but I narrowed it down to 2 choices. The police narrowed down the suspects to just 1 person. Play along. Pretend to agree. I played along with the joke. Dad played along when his daughter said he was a superhero. Run off. Leave quickly. He ran off without paying. He ran off to catch the bus. Step down. Resign. The CEO stepped down. He stepped down from his position. Throw up. Vomit. He threw up after eating bad food. She threw up from motion sickness. Use up. Finish completely. I used up all the milk. She used up her savings. Vouch for. Confirm someone's credibility. I can vouch for her skills. He vouched for his friend. Wind up. End up in a situation. He wound up in trouble. She wound up being late. Zip up. Close with a zipper. Zip up your jacket. It's cold. Make sure to zip up your den so bugs don't get in. Break in. Enter forcefully. Someone broke in last night. The thief broke in through the window. Call up. Phone someone. He called up his friend. I will call up my mom later. Deal with. Handle. She dealt with the complaint. He deals with customers daily. Ease up. Reduce pressure. The boss eased up on deadlines. The rain eased up in the evening. Fall for. Believe a lie or fall in love. I fell for his story. She fell for him instantly. Go against. Oppose. He went against his parents' wishes. Talking in class goes against the teacher's rules. Hear out. Listen completely. Hear me out before you judge. He heard him out patiently. Jump at. Accept eagerly. I jumped at the job offer. He jumped at the chance to travel. Laugh off. Dismiss as unimportant. She laughed off the mistake. She laughed off the rumors. Mix up, confuse. She mixed up the exam dates and studied for the wrong subject. I mixed up two formulas and got the math question wrong. Put aside, save for later. We put aside some money. Mom told me to put aside my toys before dinner. Run over. Review quickly. Let's run over the plan again. He ran over his notes. Settle down. Start a stable life. He wants to settle down soon. They settle down in a new city. Tear apart, destroy or separate. The storm tore apart the house. The news tore the family apart. Watch over, guard. He watches over his siblings. He watched over the house. Cross out. Cross out. I crossed out the wrong answers. If you make a mistake, just cross it out and write again. Yield to. Give in. Cars must yield to ambulances with flashing lights. Drivers must yield to pedestrians at crosswalks. Zero in on. Focus. She zeroed in on the most important topics for the exams. The police zeroed in on the main suspect after gathering evidence. Keep up with. Stay updated. I keep up with the news. I ran fast to keep up with my brother. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.